This is a short English practice video for beginners. I am a college student, and I also work part-time. Every morning, I wake up early. Before the sun rises, I look at the clock, take a deep breath, and get out of bed, go fast, and take a shower. My brother calls me. Didi, I am late. My sister is still sleeping. She is very lazy. I smile and say, "Wake up, both of you." I make simple breakfast, pack their bags, and check their homework. I help them quickly. Because I have college, I wear my clothes, take my bag, and leave the house. College is not easy, but I like studying. I listen to my teachers, write notes, and try my best. After college, I do not go home. I go to work. My job is small, but important. It helps my family. Sometimes I feel tired. Sometimes I feel stressed. But I do not stop. I keep working, keep learning, and keep moving forward. At work, my phone rings. It is my brother. Didi, when will you come? I smile and say, I am coming soon. After work, I walk home slowly. My feet hurt a little. At home, my sister runs to me and hugs me. My brother says, "We were waiting for you." I feel tired, but my heart feels warm. I am not alone. At night, we eat together and talk about the day. I help them study, tell them stories, and make them laugh. When they sleep, I sit quietly and think about life. Life is hard, but I am strong, and I will not give up. I study, I work, and I take care of my family. This is my life. Simple, busy, and real. And I am proud of myself.